In the golden light of dawn, a remarkable mother begins her journey, the Eurasian Hoopoe.
Known for her crown of feathers, she is beautiful, but her story is far from gentle. She searches for a safe nesting cavity, hidden from predators.
A hollow tree becomes her home, where life will soon begin.
One by one, she lays her eggs, fragile, full of promise. But not all will survive. Nature has its own rules. The male delivers food, while she stays inside, guarding her future. For days, she barely moves, protecting them with her life. The first chick breaks free, tiny and helpless. Soon, the nest fills with hungry mouths. Food is limited and the strongest grow faster. Some chicks push ahead, others fall behind. In this tight space, weakness can mean death.
The mother watches carefully, making a difficult choice. She stops feeding the weakest, sacrificing it for the rest.
This harsh decision gives the others a chance to survive. Inside the nest, competition grows intense. Even chicks develop defenses, spraying foul odors to deter threats. Crow lurk outside. He is sitting far away waiting for a mistake.
But this mother stands her ground, fearless. She protects her young with fierce determination. The intruder retreats, and the family is safe.
Days pass, and the chicks grow stronger. Their wings begin to form, preparing for flight. For the first time, the chicks flew away in the nest. They glimpsed the world beyond. For the first time, they glimpsed the world beyond. Fear and instinct collide at the edge of the nest. One brave chick jumps and learns to fly. From fragile eggs to free flyers in the sky. From fragile eggs to free flyers in the sky. In the golden light of autumn, they take wing. A flock united, soaring towards new horizons.
In the wild, survival demands everything, even a mother's hardest choice.
In the wild, survival demands everything, even a mother's hardest choice.